Hello, I like today make a cake for children who like to dig in and play with trucks and diggers. So we can call it basically the construction site or the quarry. So what we need is, I like to make it nice and large sort of cake. So we have bake 2 cakes. So what we have is we can use vanilla, 2 vanilla premix cake boxes, or 2 butter premix cake boxes, or banana premix cake boxes. Does not really matter. You can also make it from 1 box of premix cake as well if you like to do so. But I will make it with 2, and we're using 2 of the around baking tins. I'm using spring baking tin, but it doesn't matter. You can use any. This one is 20 centimeter in diameter, which is 8 inches. So we're done. So we mix and bake 2 cakes according to instruction on our boxes. Of course, you can use any cake of your choice, or choice of your child. And what we do is we place on our cake board. I did not trim them because we actually wanted to make a little bit taller, as well as we will take out large chunk of cake to make it like a quarry. So we don't really need basically trim them or anything like that. So what we do is we're using 2 different kinds of frosting. One dark chocolate frosting can be purchased from supermarket, and another one just a normal vanilla frosting, which is we tinted with the yellow gel food coloring. So what we do is we simply join up these 2 cakes together, just like this. No worry if you a little bit messy or anything like that, because this cake will look a little bit messy, so that's okay. And because this is construction site, it cannot be really very tidy. So what we done is we just apply all this stuff together, and next is we place another cake on top of our first cake. Once we're done that, we have a look how much of actual chunk we will take out. So once we join 2 cakes together, as you can see, we took a large chunk of large veg of the cake out to make it quarry. So I suggest we shouldn't touch bottom, just cut it to have a base, because it's easier, because we will apply now yellow color frosting in the middle of this veg, basically, of this empty area now. But it's better if we have it base, because it's more cleaner as well, and your frosting will not go anywhere. So as you can see, just take a larger veg out from the cake, and here our yellow frosting, and we start simply applying only on the area being taken out. So it just will be around all this triangle or veg which is being taken out. So once we're done that, once we apply all of these, we will apply the dark chocolate frosting all over cake, and so we start after that decorating. Do not concern if it's not really sort of really tight, because this is as I said before, construction site. It have to be a little bit messy. Plus also we will decorate with the different sweets. See, as you can see, apply more of yellow frosting to represent this construction site as a digging out So we finish apply yellow color frosting, and we finish apply our chocolate frosting as well. And as you can see, in this veg which is we took out from cake, it's like look like quarry. So next step is to decorate. We can decorate with various chocolate sweets or chocolate bars. What we have is here Crunchie bar and Violet Crumble bar, which is we break it into large pieces, and we can use to decorate, represent rocks and various small things as well. And so what we do is simply applying everywhere right here. I crunch actually 2 bars, but seems to me probably even one would be actually sufficient too. So we decorate with all that. And next is we have also chocolate sultanas or mini Fruchocs, which is we will place for some of a decoration on this side. And what we do is after we have also dark Fruchocs, large ones, which is we can place some around cake for represent large stones lying basically everywhere. And we have mini milk choc beads, as you can see, they're very small, and we place them right here. This is will be our diggers and tipper tracks, which is I just took it from my children toys. We can represent and place them everywhere around. And the last decoration is this is the one of those biscuit fingers, chocolate coated little tiny basically finger type of I think it's a called Tee Vee or something. Let's have a look. Now we finish decorating our cake, and what I like to say is that see this little crushed sort of biscuits. You can use from the chocolate, like say flakes or something, or you can use this malt sticks Tee Vee, which is you can crush it, and that's what will be kind of represent this sort of kind of road or something. This one will place cement mixer on top. You just can get some from the cheap shop, just a plastic toys, and place it on. Make sure they just clean. And what we do is next is as you can see, this is chocolate sultanas with our little digger, and we have tipper track with the mini milk choc beads. Here it's our the Crunchie and Violet Crumble bar, which is we break into pieces, and we place also this digger as well to make it more attractive. And up here for the soil, use any chocolate biscuit, for example like this one. This one called is the choc ripple, but you can use also Oreos or any kind of dark basically colored biscuit, would be chocolate or milk chocolate or any kind basically you want to represent lighter or dark. If it's dark, probably good idea to use Oreos and crush them, place them inside a bag like that, and crush them with rolling pin. So once you crush all this sort of thing, you get nice sort of like a almost practically powder. So when you place it on, here our cake, here our curry. I hope you do like it, this sort of creation. This is very easy, and it's actually very attractive once it's placed on a table, and boys just love it. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Until next time, goodbye.